Hello everyone. In this video, I'm going to discuss to you how to solve or simulate a problem in DWSim. The problem involved in this example is a multi-operational unit and it has no reaction. We're going to read the problem first. A labeled flowchart of a continuous steady-state 2-unit process is shown below. Each stream contains two components, A and B, in different proportions. Three streams whose flow rates and/or compositions are not known and are labeled 1, 2, and 3. Calculate the unknown flow rates and compositions of stream 1, 2, and 3. So we're going to play side by side DWSim and the problem. So what we're going to do here, we're going to separate the feed first. Going to input the feed and then separate it using the compound separator, and we're going to input the given here to the first outlet of the separator, and by that we're going to know stream 1 and its composition. Next, the stream 1 is mixed with another feed. We're going to input the given here and mix it with the first outlet of the separator. And by that, we have stream 2 and its composition. Stream 2 again is separated, and we're going to use again the compound separator. And we have two outlet streams here. First outlet we are given, and we're going to input that in the DWSim. So, going to add new process simulation model. Going to click next. Since the problem only stated A and B, so I'm just going to choose toluene and benzene as A and B respectively. You can also choose any substance since we're only dealing with mass and mass fraction. So the molar flow rate need not to be calculated, so you can choose any substance. So toluene as our A, benzene as B. Next, just click Raoult's law. Since the unit used is kilogram per hour, I'm going to create new and click kilogram per hour as the mass flow rate, and finally click finish. I'm going to add material stream. I'm going to name this as our feed. The problem indicated 100 kg per hour. So we're going to input that, and in the compound amounts, the default is small fraction, so we're going to click and choose mass fraction and indicate 0.5 and 0.5. Click accept changes. Next is we're going to separate our feed using compound separator. In the stream is our feed. I'm going to add two outlet streams, and don't forget the energy stream. Compound separator apparently needs energy stream. So in here, separation factors, we're just going to click mass flow as our spec. So the separation factor is specified for outlet stream 1, that is the 40 kilogram per hour in the problem. So we're going to indicate here toluene, the mass flow rate of toluene and benzene, which is given in the problem. So we're just going to calculate what is 90% of 40, that is 36. And 10% of 40 is 4. Don't forget kilogram per hour. We're going to check the outlet stream 1, which is our, going to name this, which is our outlet 1. So it is 40 kilogram per hour, just like the given here, and the amount or the composition is 90% A or toluene and 10% B, just like here in the given. So we inputted the correct values, and finally we have the stream 1 here. So we already have the stream 1, the mass flow rate of stream 1, and the mass fraction of stream 1, which is 20% A and 77% B. Now stream 1 is mixed with another feed, so we're going to use mixer and connect stream 1 as the inlet stream 1. Stream 1. Add another stream, and finally the outlet. So we're going to name this as feed 2, and the outlet stream as our stream 2. Feed 2 is said to be flowing 30 kg per hour. And the compound amounts, don't forget to click mass fraction. We're going to put 0.3 and 0.7. Accept changes. Now we have mass flow rate of stream 2, which is 90 kg per hour, and its composition is 26% A and 74% B. Stream 2 again is separated, so we're going to use compound separator again and connect inlet 1 and stream 2 as the inlet stream. I'm sorry for that. The outlet stream, going to add, don't forget the energy stream. Now here our outlet stream 1 is the given here, so we're just going to indicate again the mass flow rate of A and B here in the separation factors. So the value of toluene or the A is 60% of 30, which is 18, and 40% of 30 is 12 kilogram per hour and kilogram per hour. Going to name this as our outlet 2. And finally, stream 3. We have 60 kg per hour, and mass fraction, it has 8% A or toluene and 92% B or our benzene. So this is our simulation for the problem here. You can see we have used 3 columns, and we have inputted all of the stream And finally, we have the stream 1, stream 2, and stream 3. So to summarize our stimulation, we're going to add a table and check all of these streams. Check mass flow and mass flow of toluene. The mass fraction. So we're just going to add mass flow of toluene and the mass fraction of benzene. So 2 and mass flow. So here is the summary of our problem. So outlet 2, outlet 1, feed 2, and feed 3 are our given. So to check, feed is 100 kg per hour. Feed 2, which is here, is 30 kg per hour. It has outlet 1, which is here, is 40 kg per hour. And outlet 2, which is here, is 30 kg per hour. So we have inputted all of the right amount. So we have here stream 1, stream 2, and stream 3 as our ask, and we have it here, and we have solved it using DWC. So stream 1 is found to be flowing at 60 kg per hour. Stream 2 is 90 kg per hour, and stream 3 is 60 kg per hour. The composition of stream 1 is 22% A and 77% B. Stream 2, it has 25% A and 74% B. And finally, the stream 3, it has 8% A and 92% B. So that is all. Thank you.